According to the American Chemical Society, the first genetically modified food approved was in 1944 and it was a flavor saver tomato. Over years, GMOs have been increasing in popularity of the United States of America. Genetically modified organisms is any organism that's been altered using genetic engineering technology. Most farmers today in the United States use genetically modified plants. There are many advantages and disadvantages of GMOs that are necessary for food production in the United States. An advantage of using genetically modified crops is the overall quality of the produce. By continuing the research of GMOs, there was an exponential increase in amount of better quality crops. Pesticides was harming the water, so GMOs was created for crops, so that means better quality produce. According to Jennifer Ackerman from National Geographic, the use of Bt varieties have dramatically reduced the amount of pesticide applied to cotton crops. Pesticides enjoy eating soybean leaves. GMOs help the leaves from being eaten. Leaves taste bitter to the bug. Another reason GMOs are necessary is for food production quality. Major contributing factor of crop production is the soil. Soil tests can be used to determine what kind of crop, cover crop, and pesticides to use. This would equal the makeup of genetic modified crops. A farmer's carbon footprint affects the quality because if the soil is correct for the certain crop, then the genetic modified crop can produce more. On the other hand, as GMOs become more popular, many people are still afraid of the term modified. Consumers are not informed on how the process works and how it affects the food. A survey taken by Charles Nasser, Steffi Robin, and Bernard Ruffex concluded that 35% of participants are unwilling to purchase products made with GMOs. 23% of indifferent or value the percents of GMOs, and 42% are willing to purchase them if they are inexpensive. This proves that people are unaware of the great benefits of GMOs and they conclude that they are harmful. Even in popular educational websites such as National Geographic says their potential is enormous, yet they carry risks, and we may pay for accidents or errors in judgment in ways we cannot yet imagine. Without knowing the future, GMOs are hard to determine if they are productive or not. Educating people on GMOs is unusual unless they are enrolled in a college class for future farmers. Amanda Road from Beef Daily states, yet due to tight budgets, strict requirements, and unpaid and overworked teachers, agricultural education often gets dropped from curriculums, leaving a gaping hole in the students' education where they can learn important practical lessons that will benefit them throughout their adult lives. In public schools today, agricultural classes is not required. Students are more than likely not able to understand the reasons of GMOs. In conclusion, GMOs are in everyday life. The advantages and disadvantages affect different aspects of the crops. GMOs are in almost every food product in the stores today, and they will continue to increase as studies increase.